Very easy. Try to solve this in a within 2 minutes. 2 minutes is enough. Done.
Yes, sir.
Got something, Rishita? Zaina,
Yes, sir.
got some answer?
The first one is 4. The second bit is 1 by 4.
What you have got?
For the first bit, I got 4. For
Ah,
the second,
I have listened your answer. Rishita, what do you got?
So for the first one, I got 1 by 4, and for the second one, I got 4.
Okay, so let's try this out. So the reaction order is given is second order. Okay, so we can say, and with respect to its concentration, so we can say that it could be like this, right? Right?
yes, sir.
So if we have understood till this point, so the reaction rate, the first case, the R final rate of reaction will be like K times, it will become double. A is becoming 2A, concentration is becoming 2A. So it will what it will become 4K A square, right? Can you see? And what is this written? 4R, right? So the rate of reaction, can you see it is means multiplied by 4 times, right, Rishita?
Yes, sir.
Ha. So we can do it by ratio thing also, but having a good understanding of the question, then we can means skip some steps and try to solve question in lesser amount of time, right? If we have understood the concept, then we shall try to solve in lesser amount of time. And let's try this for the second part. So A is becoming A by 2, right? The concentration is becoming half. Concentration is becoming half. So what will it will come? K A square. However, it is multiplied by 1 by 4, right?
Yes, sir.
So finally, we can say 1 by 4 of this rate of reaction, right? Kindly note this down. After noting this down, just see the table, okay? And we will solve it. Just read the question, okay? Done.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So yeah, have you read this question?
Yes, sir.
Ha. So let's observe this question. Okay. So the question is has given some experimental data. The thing which we are we were discussing, that no, we cannot directly from the equation, like from this equation. Let's comment on it. From this chemical equation, we cannot say that, oh, order will be, the rate of reaction will be like this, K A power 1 B power, the concentration of B to the power of 2. So this is wrong. Okay. Because means the stoichiometric coefficient is not the power of the concentration of the reactants, right? So what is this power? We will only find through experimental values. Okay. Only through experiment. And the experiment is done here. Okay. This is the experiment which we will see how to solve this question. So you are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rishita, you have to understand that if the question is like this, find the order of the reaction with respect to A and B, then without using this data, we will directly say, oh, with respect to A it is 1 and with respect to B it is 2. But that is incorrect, right? So why will they will give this data? So we will use this data and try to solve this question. Okay. And we will finally write rate law and order of reaction and calculate the rate constant. So let's try to solve this. Let's try solving this question. This question has already came in 2019. So what is given is concentration of A. Okay. Concentration. This is the column of concentration of A. This is the column of concentration of B. The molarity is given. Okay. So concentration is calculated in molarity, right?
Yes, sir.
Either molarity or molality, but the popular one is molarity only in a solution. And the initial rate of formation of C is given. Okay. So the rate of reaction is given. Got it? This is the rate of formation or rate of reaction. So we already know that rate of reaction is what? K times P Q, right? So we will have to find P and Q. Then we will comment on P plus Q. That is the order of reaction, and that will be our answer. Okay. So let's try solving this question. First, kindly identify that we have concentration of A as 0.2, 0.1, 0.4, 0.1, and B concentration 0.3, 0.1, 0.3, 0.4. Okay. So what we have to identify that this, like for example, this one, concentration of A and in this second experiment and concentration of A in this fourth experiment is same, right? Can you see this? The
Yes,
concentration
sir.
of A, we have kept concentration of A as constant and we have changed the concentration of B here, right? We have changed the concentration of B from 0.1 to 0.4. And we have seen the this rate of formation, the rate of reaction has been changed, right? 6 into 10 power minus 3 to 2.4 into 10 power minus 2. Similar way, you can see in the first experiment, the concentration of B is 0.3, and in the third experiment also, concentration of B is 0.3, right? However, we have changed the concentration of A 0.2 to 0.4, and we can observe that the rate of reaction has been also changed, right?
Yes, sir.
So let's try solving this question. So what we will do, we will apply this formula. So the rate is let's we will try to find the ratio of it like we have done earlier. So let me write the note for this question, and there are several questions like this. So one type we have done already, like this one. Okay, these one. The second type is this one. This is a second type of question which we have to do in this topic. So identify any two experiments in which reactants reactant one of the reactant, not all reactant, in which one of the reactant is constant. Okay. Sorry. So let's see. In experiment, let's see 2 and 4. We are choosing 2 and 4. Acha, we can choose 2 and 4 also first, or 1 or 3 also first. Okay, there is no issue in this. Sorry. Wait. We can choose this one also, since these are equal, or this one. See, concentration of A is equal in these two experiments, 2 and 4. Concentration of B is equal in these two experiments, 0.3 and 0.3, right? So which one should I pick first? Shall I pick 2 and 4 first, where the concentration of A is equal? Shall I proceed with this?
Yes, sir.
So let's this green one. So in the 2 and 4, we will write this equation again. The rate of reaction given is 6.0 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to K into K is not given anywhere in the question, and in the third question we have to find the K, value of K here, and the concentration of A is given as 0.1, and we don't know the power. We have to find the power, the order 0.1, and it is given as 0.1 also. See, in the second experiment, 0.1. Okay, are you getting this? Are you able to apply this in the formula, the data in the formula?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now if you respond, that would be relieving for me, so that I don't have to repeat. Then we will take the fourth one. The fourth one, what Rishita, what is the rate of reaction of the fourth experiment? The fourth experiment, what is the rate of reaction?
So 2.40 into 10 raised to minus 2.
Good. 2.4 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and I think this one is 0.1, obviously, and the B concentration is 0.4. Okay. So we have no problem writing this, right?
No, sir.
So let's cancel out the equal things, like K will be cancelled. This whole thing will be cancelled, right? No problem at all.
Yes, sir.
So we will do some calculations. So 6.0 and 10 to the power of minus 3, and here we have minus 2. So what we will do here is 6.0 0 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and here we will write 24 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, here what will it is coming is 0.1 upon 0.4. All thing is gone, only this is left, so whole power q, right? So we will cancel 6 4 ja 24, this is cancelled. 1 by 4 is equal to 1 by 4 power q, right? So what will be the value of q, Zaina? What we comment on the value of q?
1.
Q will be 1. Rishita, good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So q is 1 here, right? So we have got the value of q here. Good? No problem?
Yes, sir.
Now we will do experiment. This one, which b is equal 1 and 3. Now experiment will check 1 and 3. Let me tell you, you can take 3 and 1 also. There is no problem. On the only the ratio will inverse. So it will answer will be same. So no worries. So in 1 and 3, what will happen? We will just write the no. Try to solve this. Okay, try to solve it by yourself. And I'm leaving this for you. And get me the answer. You can copy this down also. In the meantime, and let me know what is your answer. Please send in the chat. First try to first copy this and solve this and send me the answer in chat. Can you do, Rishita and Zana?
Yes, sir.
Means can you solve it by yourself?
Yes, sir.
Try to solve it by yourself, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Try to solve it. If you will get any, if you are stuck, then we will obviously we will do this. Okay. Have you copied, both of you?
Yes, sir.
Try to solve this. Done. Are you there? Are both of you is in are in only calculation part or stuck somewhere else?
Calculations.
Calculation. Zaina?
So I sent you my answer.
Okay. Okay. You have 30 seconds, Rishita. Just try to solve it. So I think we should do it, Rishita.
Yes, sir.
Got something? Anything?
No, sir. The last thing I got was 1/4 equals to 0.2 raised to p by 0.4 raised to p.
Okay, okay. Let's we will see it. Don't worry. So what we will do here, uh, the thing which I want to teach you here, you have tried your part. That's good. That is what I want. What we will do? See, we will not write the whole thing. Okay. The thing this we will write. Wait, let me check the 1 and 3. So 1 we have 4.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 uh, equals k times a is zero point 0.2, a is 0.2 power p, and b is 0.3.
So it's 4.2 into 10 power minus 2.
Okay, sorry. Hmm. What I want to share here is, like, since this b is equal, right? In this point, uh, concentration of b is equal, right?
Yes, sir.
We are not going to write it. Okay, that is like a waste of time. And in short steps, we are going to learn these things. And more shorter step I will teach you after this. So 4.2 into 10 to the power of minus 2, and 1.68 into 10 to the power of minus 1 is equal to k times, we don't have to write k also, but still I've written it, zero point 0.4 in power of p, right? Done till here, both of you?
Yes, sir.
So next what we will do, we will just you know solve this question. 4.2 into 10 to the minus 2, and minus 2, minus 2 upon 16.8 into 10 to the power of minus 2 is equal to zero point 0.2 upon 0.4. So we will get 1 by 2, right? Power of p. And let's solve this. So what we will get, this 4 times. Okay. So what we are getting, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 power of p. If you are having confusion, you can take reciprocal from both side also. So there is no issue. So what should be p here, Zaina? Rishita, what should be the value of p? What should
Root 2 by
be?
root p of 2/4.
2 to the power of what will give you 4?
2.
2. Zana, got it? Zana,
Yes, sir.
got it now? So you can check. I think you have done some mistake. No problem. So
So
finally,
if we just reciprocal 1 by 2
I,
and
if
take
you
it to
want
the
to
other side,
see,
can we do that?
if you without doing reciprocal, I have done this reciprocal thing for to make easy for you, but still you can see here that if you do 1 by 2 and you square it, what will it become? 1 square upon 2 square, right? So it will become 1 by 4. So it means that p is 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
So kindly note this down. And the question was the order of reaction with respect to A and B. So it is uh, uh, 2 and 1 respectively, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
And what is the total order of the reaction? It will be
3.
3. And we can say that R is rate of reaction here will be K times A ki power 2 B ki power 1, right? Can you
Yes, sir.
have you understood this?
Yes,
From
sir.
from the can you see with this? Can you see the screen? Means is it clearer to you?
Yes, sir.
So you can see that A is having the power of 2 and B is having the power of 1. However, in this equation, A is having the coefficient of A and B is having coefficient of 2. So if we will write rate of reaction this will be completely wrong, okay? And this is completely right. So experiment will be always right. In this physical world also, experiment, the value which you are getting experimentally will be always right than the theoretical which one you are getting, okay? Rishita,
Yes,
I understood this.
Yes, sir.
So kindly note this down. So the rate reaction, you have got this, and n will be 3. And it is also asking about calculate the rate constant. So can you people means find it? Means is it solvable for you? Calculate the rate constant with the given data. The hint is in the table itself. Please stop copying and just think about it for a minute. Can you find K? Calculate the rate constant. Can you find it?
so for A and B, which values should we use? 1 and 3 or 2 and 4?
For A and B. Sorry, I haven't understood your question. What for A and B? This question you are asking or concept you are asking?
In the question, sir.
This find the order of reaction with respect to A and B. This question.
The third one.
Calculate the rate constant of K. This one, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are giving it a thought. Okay, I will give you the answer. Rishita,
Yes, sir.
can you means find the rate constant, value of the rate constant?
Yes, sir, by substituting all the other values.
Yeah. So, you both are correct. So let's try to solve this. So the rate of reaction, let's take one of the experiment, any one, and just solve this. Okay, so which one should we take? Obviously we will leave 3 and 4 because the values are a little complex here, and the second one is most is the good one, right? Shall we take the second experiment?
Yes, sir.
6.0 into 10 to the power of minus 3. K, we have to find it out, right? What we will put the value of A, Zaina?
0.1.
0.1. And rest, can you tell me, Rishita? What should be the power here? What should we put here? 2, right? This 2, which we have
Yes,
got
sir.
after doing several, jaddojahad. And this one will also 0.1 because we have taken the second experiment finally,
Second
right?
one. Yes, sir.
This will be 1, and we will just solve this. 6 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is equal to K into 0.1 in 0.1 means 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 3, right? So this will cancel out, and we will get K value is 6. Okay, but what is the unit? K value is 6, right? For you, only calculation was there. Rishita and Zaina, is have you
Yes.
Yes.
it is the sorry, the rate of reaction unit is given molarity per minute. Okay, it is given molarity per minute, right? Molarity per minute. Are you getting this? Molarity per minute. Have you seen this?
Yes, sir.
Ah. So we will put. We don't know the unit of K. The unit of concentration is molarity, right? Okay,
Yes.
and we will get one other M. So finally, we will get the unit of K will be this will cancel out, and we will get 1 upon matlab molarity or minus 2 and minute minus 1. Okay,
Yes, sir.
any problem?
No, sir.
Finally, answer will be this. This question has checked lot of knowledge from you. So kindly, look into this, note down this, and if any problem, just let me know. Done?
Yes, sir.
Rishida?
Yes, sir.
At least message or speak something so that I may know that yes, we are good to go. So let's try this question out. This question is also similar with that question, the question which we have done. Try to solve this question. So the question is given is the same with the table. Okay. We already know that this is foolishness to just directly comment that this will be the order of reaction will be like 2, right? This the stoichiometric coefficient doesn't matter, right? So we will
Yes,
use
sir.
data from the experiment and solve this. Okay. So I understand that you can solve this question, but let me tell you how to directly solve this question, because you will get MCQs also. So you don't have much time to solve this much with a lengthy steps. So what we will do here, kindly observe. These are the options. So let's focus on this. See, in this, in the first, let me write this, first, second, and third. In the first experiment, we have with first and second, the concentration of A is constant, right? 3 and 3. Okay. Can you see this? Or Rishita and Zena?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Kindly respond. And in the this is experiment, second and third, B is same, right?
Yes, sir.
So just see here that when the concentration of A is same and we are doubling this. Can you see we have doubled?
Yes, sir.
The rate of reaction isn't affected. No effect, right?
Yes, sir.
No effect. Include this, that we are increasing the increasing the concentration of B, but we cannot see the change in rate of reaction. So we can please comment. Okay. Now is my voice good for you? Is it
Yes,
audible?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I was saying, that you have to observe, like with the we are changing the concentration of B. We are changing the concentration of B. We are doubling the concentration of B, but we cannot see the rate in the change in the rate of reaction. It is same, right? So it means that the rate of reaction is independent on of the concentration of B, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this point is good. So we can say that order with respect to B is 0. With respect to B is 0, right? Because it is not depending on it. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let's so without solving, we can say that these two options are correct. So we will check for this option. In this one, we can see the concentration of A has been, oh no, this one we have done already. What we will see, the concentration of B is same, and this has been doubled, right? Concentration of A has been doubled, and we have to comment what is happening with the Rishita and Zaina.
So your net is lagging.
Yes, sir. I didn't hear anything.
Acha. Till where you have heard my voice?
Till the initial rate of A is being doubled.
Okay. Okay. So just raise your hand when it starts breaking. Okay. So what I was saying, that concentration of A is being doubled. So the concentration, the rate of reaction has been changed, right? So
Yes, sir.
it has been changed to 4 times. Okay, you can see if you will divide this, so it has been increased to 4 times, right? So what we can say is that uh, that it must be the power of 2, since we have increased, we have no doubled the concentration of A, and it is increasing by 4 times. So it means it should be the power should be 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So order of reaction with respect to A will be 2, right? So finally we can conclude that K will be A square B0, or this much only. Sorry. This one is more appropriate, and this one is also correct. Okay. So which one will be the correct answer? This one will be the correct answer, right?
So can you
Yes, sir.
explain the order of reaction with respect to A?
With respect to A. Okay. See, like for example, uh, A concentration has been doubled. Okay. And what we will see, like for example, we are having 20. Okay. And what we will see, if we are doubling the rate of reaction from 3 to 6, we are getting 40 rate of reaction. So what you can comment on the order of the reaction?
That it's getting double.
Order of reaction with respect to A? 1, right? Since both are doubling, like hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
uh, I left the this meeting, or we all left?
You left the meeting.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So what I was saying, Acha, have you understood this point? This one, which I have written here?
Yes, sir.
So if you will, if, for example, if it has been, this has been like 80, okay? Like it has been 80. So we will say that it has been increased 4 times, right? So we can directly comment, oh, P should be like it should be 2, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Uh, so let's try some more questions so that it would be no, more clearer to you, this question. I will take means give you time to note that down later. First, try to solve this question directly without solving much. Comment on X or Y, anything. You can choose anything and comment on one only, means we have to find coefficient of X and Y both, sorry, power of X and Y. At least find one and let me know if you are if you have got something. Got anything? X or Y?
So the X would be power 0.
Okay, one you have got. Try to find the second one. And Rishita, anything?
So I'm still finding it.
Try. And the good thing is just find where the rate of reaction is not changing. Okay, and then you will get answer very early for that one. Rishita, anything? Rishita, which two experiments you have chosen first in 1, 2, 3, 4? And this one, first two,
The first and the second.
first
Sir.
and second.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you have chosen the correct one, to solve the question early. So anything? No problem if you are wrong, no problem at all. Yes, I want to know that where are you currently? This question.
So, 0.1 by 0.2 is equals to 1 by, so I got.
So I think you are not solving it directly, which I have told you. Try to solve them directly. So let me show you, okay? No problem. See, so the rate of reaction, we are choosing this one first. You can choose anything, but we are choosing it first because rate of reaction is not changing with the change in the concentration of Y. So what do you think, Rishita? Is it dependent on the concentration of,
Yes, sir.
sorry. It is not changing with the concentration of X. As we are changing the concentration of X, the rate of reaction is not changing. So it is depending on this X or not.
No, it doesn't depend on it.
So that is why the power should be 0 for this, right? Because the rate of reaction is
Yeah.
not dependent on it. So that is this thing is already over. The second thing which uh, we will choose this one, like where 1, 2, 3, 4. Zana, which next experiment which you have chosen?
So for the next one, it's just in the first experiment, it's becoming double. So since
First,
x is
you are
0,
comparing first with which experiment?
um,
You have compared first experiment with which
2 and
experiment? Second, third, fourth.
2 and 3.
Acha, you have chosen 2 and 3. Ah, okay, no problem. So you have chosen 2 and 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So then what you have done?
The concentration of Y is getting doubled.
Uh,
And
X is
rate of,
also, multiplied by 1.5. So what do you think? Rishta, are you understanding there is some issue in this, right?
Yes, sir.
Like in Y part, Zaina, you can see that there is some term which we are, we can compare, but in this column there is nothing which is same, right? Zaina, so see what is the concept here is, can you hear me?
yes, sir.
No, I thought my voice was breaking. So the concept is that whatever concentration you take, it is not affecting the rate of reaction, right? From this point, we have understood this, right? So whatever the concentration of X you take, the Y concentration, the rate of reaction is not changing, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
So we will take like this. Wait a minute. So we will take this. This we can take this one and third. So in this we can see the concentration has been doubled, right? It has been doubled. Acha, the concentration of X has been tripled, but it doesn't matter. Does it matter? No, it doesn't matter, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we are just leaving it and we are okay with it. So the concentration of Y has been doubled and the rate of reaction has been it has been quadrupled, means it has been multiplied by 4 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what should be the order of reaction with respect to y?
Raised to,
It should be 2, right? Because it has been
yeah.
doubled, means square of it, right?
Yes, sir.
To simple it, the answer will be second. So the question which this was good was because the thing which we have to, you have to, it should click, like we have changed the concentration of x here also, or and y here also, but it doesn't matter with the this concentration, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm. Like for example, let's see, we are increasing the temperature 3 times, sorry, concentration 3 times, okay? And it doesn't matter the concentration of x is what is happening with the concentration of x. What we will see, the rate of reaction has been multiplied by 9 times, right? It has been multiplied by 9 times. So the 3 square is 9 times, so it should be 2. The power should be 2. So in both experiments we can see that it should be 2 only. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rishita?
Yes, sir.
In both ways, in first and third one and first and fourth one, in both ways we have seen that the concentration has been, it is the order of reaction with respect to y is 2. And how it is 2, have you understood it?
Yes, sir.
Like 2 is becoming 4, 3 is becoming 9, so obviously the order will be 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, note this down first if you haven't noted it. Yeah, you have already noted this one.
No, sir.
What has happened here? I can see some hodgepodge here. Wait. Hmm. To solve this question, uh, you have understood this question, right?
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes.
I'm writing the answer of it. Wait, let me take this here so that you don't have to worry. No, I think it is good. Hmm. In the first part, we have seen that concentration is doubling, but it has not been changed. So that is why with respect to B is 0. And this was the answer. डन। डन
Yes,
जी।
sir.
अच्छा, डन।
No, sir. 1 minute.
So what you are writing here? Acha, you are drawing the table or what?
No,
Yes,
I've
sir.
just bring the values.
Okay, okay,
So
okay, okay,
yes.
okay, okay. No problem. Don't write all the options. Okay, that will be the waste of time. No problem. The ratio thing, it will be always successful, but it takes time. If you have solved like 5 questions of it by yourself, it will directly come in your mind, oh, that it is what is happening. As we have seen in the other question, the last question which we have done, that on 3 it is coming as 9 and 2 with it is coming as 4. So you don't have to give a second thought. Done.
Yes, sir.
Rishita, done.
Yes, sir.
Do this. And the question you have written, right? You are drawing the table. Both of you?
Yes.
Zaina.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Because I'm going to give you another question. Try to, do the homework which I will give. Because if you will practice now, you will get good confidence. note down the this question and try to think on it. If you can solve it, is well and good. We will try to solve it here. First bit means I haven't understood.
So this question which you wrote, what does the A bit say?
A, volume of
Yep.
system. Volume of system doubled and volume of system halved. Acha, Zaina and Harshita, I'm asking a question. Like for example, if I am, you know, doubling the one of the reactant and the rate of reaction becoming half. So what do you think? What is happening?
It will be the same, sir. The rate of reaction.
No, the rate of reaction, I'm telling you, the rate of reaction becoming half. I'm, doubling the reactant. However, the rate of reaction is becoming half. So what should be the order of order of reaction with that reactant? Any guess, Zaina? It is -1. We are, doubling here and we are getting half. So there should be the power of -1 there. That is why it is coming reciprocal of it. Okay. I will give you those questions. Don't worry. Try to solve them. First solve them like logically only, directly. Then you can use the to cross your answer. You can do the this ratio thing. Okay, ratio thing you will get always right. Okay, Rishita and
Yes.
Zana. Hmm. But you have to know that thing also, the direct ones. In MCQ, no one is asking you for explanation. That is why you have to try this also. So I think you have written the question. So let's solve this. So the rate of reaction is given is this. The rate law expression is also given. Uh, we have to, calculate the change in the rate of reaction. volume is doubling. Okay, so for example, in the first case, acha, what you have to, you know, the earlier what we were doing, we were increasing or decreasing the concentrations of reactants, right? Like in
Yes,
this table, in this table, Arshita, है ना? We are what we are doing? We are changing the concentrations of reactants, but here we are not changing the concentration of reactants. Okay, uh, Rishita, Rishita, is my voice breaking? Hello.
no, sir.
Okay, so maybe there is some issue with her. So what we are doing, we are changing the volume of system. With the changing in the volume of system, also rate of reaction increases or decreases.
Rate of reaction increases.
Okay, so formula itself have volume, right? That is why the rate of reaction is affected by this. So when v will be doubled, and v is doubling, volume when volumes double, molarity will become half, right?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So what we will see here is, directly we can comment, then when volume is doubling, molarity is becoming half. So the rate of reaction is mm, uh, k times, molarity is becoming half. So new m will be m by 2, right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
and the molarity of this all will also become half. So what will come next? It will be 1 by 8. So what happened is, the